just beginning by placing the palms together and rubbing them together 24 times. And then taking the index finger and the ring finger, place them on your eyelids, keep the shoulders down, and just rubbing the eyelids 24 times, very lightly. And then taking the index finger and the middle finger and either side of the ears, rubbing up and down the ears 24 times. And then now using the fleshy part of the thumb to massage the nose. So pop your hands together and then use the thumbs either side of the nose, and the fleshy part is the bit that's going to rub up and down the nose 24 times. Okay, and then taking the hands over the back of the head, and you're going to use your index finger and your thumb to massage the area at the bottom of the hairline along the base of the neck. So I'll just turn around and show you that, and again 24 times for this. Then bringing the hands around to the front again. For women, place the right hand in front closest to your face with the left hand behind. For men, the other way around. Palms are facing you and the thumbs are facing up. The palms are touching each other. And you're going to massage the whole face now. So starting at the corners of the mouth and moving the hands up over the face, around the top of the head and down the back of the neck with a little bit of pressure, then bringing the hands around. 9 times altogether for this movement. When you finish that, just moving the hands down the body slowly towards Dantian.